Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Probability problems involving overlapping sets are actually super simple if you follow this quick 3-step method to find the correct answer in under 60 seconds. First, find the probability that a home has both a garden and solar panels by multiplying the probability of a garden by the conditional probability of solar given a garden. Now use the Inclusion-Exclusion Principle to find the union. Add the individual probabilities of having a garden and solar panels, then subtract the intersection we just calculated for the result. Finally, perform this simple subtraction to arrive at the total probability of having either a garden, solar panels, or both. That makes option B our final answer. Let's go! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Don't ignore the overlap or forget to subtract both when using the union rule today.